Have you ever wondered what the secret to a successful marriage is? Well, wonder no more. Today, we'll unravel the mystery by exploring the 7 principles of making marriage work, a brilliant work by John Gottman. These principles, distilled from years of meticulous research, have served as a beacon of hope for couples, helping them navigate the choppy waters of relationships. They aren't just theories, but tried and tested strategies that have proven effective. So, without further ado, let's dive into these 7 principles. The first principle is about enhancing your love maps. Imagine a map, a guide to your partner's internal world. It's filled with the details of their hopes, dreams and fears, along with their history and the influences that shape them. This map isn't static. It evolves as your partner grows. To enhance your love maps is to update this guide frequently, to navigate the changing landscape of your partner's world. By enhancing your love maps, you strengthen your friendship and deepen your understanding of each other. Next, we have nurturing your fondness and admiration. This principle acts as a reminder to value your partner and the unique qualities they bring to your union. It's about maintaining a deep sense of respect and expressing appreciation for one another. Remember, it's easy to take each other for granted in the humdrum of daily life. Yet, acknowledging your partner's worth can make them feel cherished and respected. This principle is the antidote to contempt, one of the major marriage killers. The third principle is turning towards each other. In any relationship, stress is inevitable. However, it's how we respond that truly matters. Instead of pulling away, we should lean into each other, seeking solace and support. This act of turning towards each other fosters trust and cultivates a deeper connection, a strong foundation that can weather any storm. It's not about grand gestures, but the small, consistent acts of kindness, understanding and support. Remember, it's the small moments that count. Fourthly, let your partner influence you. Successful couples truly understand that marriage is a partnership. They share power and decision-making, recognizing that they're a team. It's not about who's right or wrong, but about being open to each other's perspectives and ideas. It's about learning and growing together, accepting each other's influences as valuable contributions to the relationship. So remember, it's not a battle to be won, but a journey to be shared. In a strong marriage, both partners influence each other. The fifth principle is solving your solvable problems. In any relationship, hitches are inevitable. But it's not the presence of these hitches that causes distress, it's how they're handled. Effective communication is key here. It's about expressing yourself clearly, listening attentively, and responding respectfully. Remember, not all problems can be solved, but those that can be should be dealt with constructively. It's not about winning an argument or proving a point, it's about compromise and finding common ground. The sixth principle is overcoming gridlock. In every relationship, some problems are perpetual, they don't have a clear solution. Instead of aiming to solve these, couples need to learn to manage them. This involves shifting from a state of gridlock, where you're stuck in conflict, to one of dialogue, where you can discuss the issue calmly and respectfully. It's about understanding and respecting each other's perspectives, even if you don't agree. Remember, it's okay to agree to disagree. Lastly, we have creating shared meaning. This principle emphasizes building a sense of purpose and shared goals within a relationship. It's about more than just cohabitation or sharing responsibilities. It's about constructing a life narrative that intertwines 2 individual paths into one. This shared meaning fosters a deeper connection and understanding, as it is the fabric that weaves your lives together. It's about growing together, setting shared objectives, and pursuing them as a team. In the end, it's about building a life together that is full of meaning. Let's quickly recap the key points. The secret to a successful marriage lies in 7 principles: enhancing your love maps, nurturing your fondness and admiration, turning towards each other, allowing your partner to influence you, solving your solvable problems, overcoming gridlock, and creating shared meaning. Each principle is a stepping stone, building a solid foundation for a lasting relationship. Remember, a successful marriage is a journey, not a destination. It requires effort, understanding, and most importantly, love.